Assalamualaikum dear viewers, this is Nahi. So viewers, first of all I'll say you hi, hello and how are you? I wish and hope all of my dear viewers are very good, very well, very fine, very safe and protected from dangerous, difficult and worldwide coronavirus that we know COVID-19. So viewers, our previous video was step 1 and in this video we are going to learn the step 2. So let's start this video. Assalamualaikum dear viewers. Assalamualaikum dear viewers, this is Nahi. So viewers, for learning the step 2, there will be 2 questions and the questions are from by me. Means I made the question. The first question is what is the importance of learning many words? Means many uncommon words. And another question is how you can get some uncommon words. Means many uncommon words. So let's know the answers of the 2 questions. So viewers, the first question was what is the importance of learning uncommon words, or the answer of the question is if you learn some uncommon words you can make a sentence. If you make some new sentence you can speak English more than better. Now you can speak little, but if you know more word you can speak English more better. Then if anyone means who are you are hearing, means who is hearing your speaking, you will understand that you can know English better. And if you don't know the uncommon words and say the common words all time of speaking in English, and the person who is hearing your speaking, he will say he don't know anything, he don't know any words. So that is the reason you have to speak, learn some uncommon words. And if you learn some uncommon words, you will have your memory. There will be in mind the words are in the memory. Then you can make sentence easily and with the structure. In my how to learn English easily by step, the one step was learning structure. So if you see this if I upload I will upload, and if you see this video you will have an idea to learn a structure. So I think that will be helpful for you, and that is helpful because if you learn uncommon words, you can make many sentences. Means more than sentence. The sentence you are making that is not in a book. There is no sentence in the book. You're making from by yourself. So that is the reason you have to learn some uncommon words. So the another question. So let's go to the another question. So viewers, the another question is how you can get some uncommon words, many uncommon words. The answer of the question is if you buy one or two dictionary, you can go and get some many uncommon words. Especially, I have already a dictionary and it is helpful for me for making sentence or knowing some uncommon words. It is helpful for me. And the another thing is if you buy a dictionary, it is helpful that if you know a new word and know some uncommon words, you can know the meaning. Means if you are Bangladeshi, you can buy a dictionary like E to B, means English to Bangla. So like that there will be Bangla meaning, and if you know a new word and that you can translate in your language, means that will be translate here the English, and another means that side will be Bangla. So that is helpful for you for buying a dictionary. If you buy a dictionary, you can know some new word, and if you don't know the meaning, you can get the meaning from there. So that is the reason you have to learn some uncommon words. If you learn some uncommon words, you can know many words. If you know many words, you can make many sentences. So that is the reason you have to learn some uncommon words. So that was the 2 answers. So viewers, now I say the 2 answers, and I think if you buy the dictionary, and you can learn some uncommon words, new words, and make sentences. So that is the answer. Miss, that was this video. Thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned with me for the next step, means 3rd step, and I will upload the 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th step very early. So thanks for watching this video. Now I have to leave. Tada!